So this part is a piece of industrial machinery that we made here inside of the print farm. It is actually a C-clamp clasp that is meant to interface with spools right here so that they're spun just correctly. But this part I designed for our piece of machinery. But the problem is that if anybody else ever wants it, they'll never be able to find it and they'll have to redesign it themselves. So what I did is that I uploaded the model for this to Portals so that if anybody else in the world ever wants this part, they can go to a Portals link, or I can share the link with them and say, yeah, Jerry, I know you got one of our machines. Here's a link. You can go ahead and get the part there. And then they can get a hold of the physical print of this, because when he orders the part, it will be printed and shipped to him in a couple of days, and I'll get a little bit of a royalty from the design work that I did. So the spare part that we created for this piece of machinery is going to make me money for the rest of my life. But this is what we created Portals for. It allows designers to share their designs. It allows people to get a hold of the prints of those objects without having to own a printer yourself. And that way the designer can make a living from it, and people can get a hold of a lot of awesome parts that, like this one, that would have otherwise never have existed. And it just looks cool. Maybe you just want one of these for, I don't know, your coffee table or something like that. So you can check it out over at teleportpod.com.